Today we are going to learn about Seesaw, that is the first type of lever. Let us understand the components. We have an axle, we have long peg connectors, we have peg connectors, then we have beams, 5 size beams, 2 size beams, and we have beams with axle connector at the end. The next type is 3 size beam with axle connector at the top. Then we have T-beams, T size. Let us connect a beam, a peg over here and a peg at the top and connect the 5 size beam like this. Over here at the top we are going to connect a full size peg and we are going to connect this in the middle like this. Next we are going to take a 5 size beam, connect it like this. Same way we are going to connect peg in the middle hole and at the end hole and connect our T size beam. This is the base of our seesaw. It stays like this. Next we are going to take our axle and pass it through the middle of this beam like this. Make sure you put it in the middle. Now we are going to make the seats of our seesaw. We are going to take this beam, we are going to place it over here. Then we take a full size peg, pass it on through like this, connect two size beams like this. Now we are going to repeat the same on the other side. As you see, our base is a little bit wobbly. So we are going to add an extra base over here. We are going to connect 2 pegs and then connect this for giving it stability. And now our seesaw is ready.